Hey gang, Rod Egan here, Worldwide Auctioneers, getting ready for our well-known and well-loved Enthusiast Week, starting with the tour and the Enthusiast Auction. Culminates all here, right here in Auburn, Indiana, in our facility. Great cars. If you are a pre-war car fan and you love some of the great designs from the time, you're gonna love this. 1931, beautiful Chrysler Imperial CG convertible coupe. Very, very few of these made. I think there's about 10 known. So you're buying rarity, you're buying a really, really great driving car. And one of the things I love about the Chrysler is the lower, longer stance. So automatically for the period, this really stands out as one of the more elegant designs. A little bit lower to the road, handling is better. And if you're thinking, it reminds you a little bit of the Cord L29, you're not too far off, and there's a reason for that. Chrysler had the foresight to hire Al Leamy, the designer of the great L29, long, low slung, and get his work to help design and build this. And that's why it has that unique, remarkable presence. So you've got the masters and engineers at Chrysler giving you the beautiful engineered chassis, engine, drivability, and great visionaries and minds like Al Leamy who helped design this car. And that's why you get that great, elegant look. So this car is going to be sold at the Enthusiast Auction. Come and join us in Auburn, Indiana. It is a blast. You'll love it. We'll see you there.